Welcome students to the part number 2 of lecture 5. The main objective of this lecture is to understand the use of complement in subtraction operation. Students, before starting our discussion on subtraction by using complements, let's first understand the terminology used in subtraction. Students, suppose we have two numbers m and n and we want to subtract n from n. In this case, the number m is known as minuend and the number n is known as the subtrahend. For example, if we have two numbers 234 and 105 and we want to subtract 105 from 234, then 234 will be known as the minuend and 105 is known as the subtrahend. Students, let's now understand the use of complement to find the to apply the subtraction operation on two unsigned numbers. Student, we know that unsigned numbers are those numbers in which we do not store the sign of that numbers. For example, 52. If you write 52 and we are not mentioning the sign of 52, it means it is an unsigned number. Okay. Students, the steps to subtract a number n from m and which has base r are as follow. Firstly, we will add the minuend to the r's complement of the subtrahend. Students, in our case, subtrahend is n and the minuend is m. So we will add the r's complement of n into m. Students, after applying the addition operation, we may not get a carry or we may get a carry at the end. So if we get a carry, it will make case number 1. In this case, we will discard the carry and we will keep the rest of the number, and the leftover number will be our answer. And we will see in this case the value of m will be greater than or equal to n. Students, when we will not get a carry, it will make case number 2. And in this case, we will find the r's complement of the result, and after that we'll put a negative sign in front of the r's complement value, and it will make our answer. And students, also in this case you will observe that the value of m will be less than n. Students, let's now discuss some questions to understand this concept in a better way. Firstly, we'll take two examples, and in this case we will take case 1 where the value of minuend is greater than or equal to the subtrahend. So you can see that in both the cases, in both question number A and B, the value of the minuend is greater than the subtrahend. Okay. Students, in the example number A, we have taken decimal numbers, and in this case the base value is 10. So in this case we will find the tens complement of the subtrahend and we will add that into the minuend. Student, the tens complement of 1290 is 8710, and after that we will add this into the minuend, which is 2345, and we will get the result as 11055. And here you can see that we are getting a carry at the end, and the value of the carry in this case is 1. And we have learned that if we will get a carry, we will discard that carry and the leftover will be our answer. So in this case we will discard 1 and our answer will be 1055. Students, let's now discuss the question number B. In this case we have taken binary numbers, and we know that in this case the base value is 2, so we will find the 2's complement of the subtrahend, and after that we'll add that. Students, before finding the 2's complement, we will add 20 in the subtrahend to make the number of digits in the subtrahend and minuend equal. Students, after adding zeros, the subtrahend will become 00101, and the 2's complement of this number will be 11011, and the sum of the minuend and the 2's complement of subtrahend will be 11100 plus 11011, which will result into 110111. And the students, you can observe here that in this case we are getting a carry at the end, and we will discard this carry, and the leftover digits will make our answer. So our answer is 10111. Students, you can also verify your answer by using normal subtraction operation. Students, let's now discuss the case number 2, where the value of minuend is less than value of subtrahend. Students, you can see that in both question number A and B, the value of minuend is less than the value of subtrahend. Student, in question number A, we want to subtract 2345 from 1290. So in this case, firstly we find the tens complement of 2345 and we'll add that into 1290. The tens complement of 2345 will be 7655 and we'll add this into 1290 and we'll get 8945. Students, you can see that we have not uh, get any carry in this case. So in this case we will find the tens complement of the result, and the value we will get in this case will be 1055, and after that we will put a negative sign in front of this value, which indicate that this number is a negative number. Students, let's now discuss example number B. In this case we want to subtract 11011 from 101. So in this case, firstly we will add zeros in the minuend to make number of digits in minuend and subtrahend equal, and after that we will find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. So the 2's complement of 11100 will be 00100, and after the addition of minuend and the 2's complement of subtrahend, we will get 01101, and you can see in this case also we are not getting any carry, so it indicates that our result is negative, and to obtain that number we will find the 2's complement of this number. The 2's complement of 01101 will be 10011, which is our answer, and after that we will put a negative sign in front of this number, which is our final answer. Students, this is the end of second part of lecture number 5 of computer system architecture. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.